Little things like that help you get centered and get calm, help you just quieten the brain, quieten that ego brain I was talking about, and get your intuition speaking to you. Like, the more you pay attention to your senses, the more you realize which senses your intuition speak to you most from. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to part 2 of my intuition series. If you missed the first video about how to listen to your intuition, I'm gonna link it there. I don't know, but I'm gonna link it. So click on the link or check out my other videos and find it and find out how to listen to your intuition. So just as a recap, your intuition is basically your internal GPS. You know, you choose your destination, i.e. you set your goals, you put your intention out there, you pray about it, you visualize it, you vision board it, whatever it is that you do, right? And once your intention is there, you need to do a little bit of trusting your intuition to tell you what to do in order to get there. So now that you've decided to choose Easy World, where there is flow and your ego brain is sitting back quietly, you are learning more, you're growing more, you're flowing more with life. And it's like, okay, sometimes I hear my intuition, sometimes I don't. I have tips for you on how you can strengthen it. That was my happy dance. I'm trying not to knock over this table, which has the ring light over here. The first way to strengthen your intuition is to look after your body. I mean, this goes with a lot of things, not just for your intuition. But when I say look after your body, I'm talking about move your body. I'm not talking about exercise. I mean, exercise is good, but I'm talking about just like gentle movement, like stretches. Okay, so maybe it's exercise, but I don't mean like HIIT workout, running. Like, if you want to do that, that's good, obviously, as well, but it's not mandatory. Like relaxing, anything that makes your body feel good. If you can do massages, get massages in, like that helps as well. Anything that just gets your body feeling good. I'm talking good sleep, I'm talking healthy food, I'm talking relaxation in all forms. Just look after your body. Number 2 is just being mindful. So we have things like meditation, grounding, and breathing. Just taking time. Like if you have an Apple Watch, oh, I don't have it on. But anyway, if you have an Apple Watch, every so often it says just take a minute to breathe. Like little things like that help you get centered and get calm, help you just quieten the brain, quieten that ego brain I was talking about, and get your intuition speaking to you. When I talk about grounding, I think I've mentioned it in previous videos, but basically grounding is just like, you know, sometimes you get overexcited or you get angry or you get and then you're not present. It's like so just taking time to calm yourself down. Plenty ways to ground yourself. Number 3 is trusting your decisions. When you make a decision, don't overthink it. Like, don't overthink, oh, did I make the wrong decision? Like, you've made the decision, have faith in it, roll with it, and go with it. Eventually, your intuition is going to keep pushing those decisions towards you because you have faith in your decisions. It's not going to be a difficult thing for you. It's going to be like, oh, I should eat the apple. Okay. You know? Life is meant to be easy, guys. Life is meant to be fun. Life is meant to be easy. We get challenges, right? Difficult challenges, but we can choose Easy World in order to go with flow and go with what's fun. You know, have the story to tell and how easy it was to resolve that situation. Next up, we have test your hunches. Okay, those little hunches that start off as whispers, in order for them to become speech and shouts rather than whispers, test them. If you have a hunch, just test it. You know, you don't have to do it all the time. You could say, okay, for the next 24 hours, I'm testing my hunch. The more you test your hunches, you get good results from it, the more you're going to have confidence in taking them. And the more your hunches are going to become louder and knowing and confidence and what's it called, that word, convictions. And you're just like, yep, I'm doing it. No, this is what I have to do, full stop. Boom. So just test them. Pay attention to your senses. This one I mentioned as well. This is a good way to listen to your intuition and to strengthen. Like, the more you pay attention to your senses, the more you realize which senses your intuition speak to you most from. So like some people it's textures, some people it's what are your other senses? Some people it's sounds, some people it's feelings, some people it's things you see. But the more you test which senses feel good and all that, the more you know how your intuition speaks to you. Okay, this one is fun. Get creative, like doodles, journaling, writing a book, playing on Canva, absolutely anything that activates your creative brain is just so good for you, because creativity slows down the overthinking, slows down the ego brain, and helps you just go with flow and listen to what's coming in. And then what's coming in is what? Your intuition. Next up, quieten the busy. Okay, so like we all get consumed in being busy, in like feeding the kids, in jumping from meeting to meeting, in having a long to-do list. Like we all get consumed in busy, we all get busy, and that's perfectly fine, it's perfectly normal. But sometimes if we take a minute to just quieten the busy, okay, even if it's like once a fortnight, once a week, doesn't have to be all day, but for as long as you can, just quieten the busy and listen and connect. You'll just hear your intuition. This is my favorite. Well, this is something I love to do a lot. Go into nature, okay? Like, just, if you can get to a sea, my favorite place. If you can get to the sea, go to the sea. If you've got a park, if you've got a garden, any grass, like just go out into nature and just chill. Because nature, you just relax and you slow down, you connect, like you ground. There's so many benefits of it. Going into nature is so good. Okay, next up is educate yourself. I'm talking books, videos, conversations, just educate yourself in all these. Like, get to know, if you really want to connect your intuition or strengthen it, read up on how to do it. Have conversations on how to do it. Connect with people who work closely with their intuition. Like I have worked closely. I have a few friends, one of them who hears so much, like her intuition follows her so much, and we just have conversations about life. Sometimes I bring up intuition and we talk about her experiences and how it's spoken to her, and it just opens up my mind to be ready to listen to my intuition. Lastly, let go of bad feelings. Your intuition is not a shouter. Remember, it's quiet, it's calm, it whispers, it pushes you, it nudges you and stuff. So if you're angry, or if you're frustrated, or if you've got a loud emotion shouting in your ear, you're not going to hear your intuition. So just let go. Like, forgive if you need to forgive, let go if you're angry, like whatever emotion it is, just let go of it and at least get to a neutral emotion. If you can't get neutral, get positive. All right, guys, hopefully that was very helpful. Let me know in the comments, and obviously, as always, share your tips. How are you using your intuition, and how can someone else use it? Like, let's help each other out, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you. Mwah.